Today, we will explore the setting menu of TPMS 2.1E and 2.1V. At the top of the display, there are three buttons: the power left button, setting button, and right button. Let's begin by switching units from side to bar. First, press and hold the setting button to access the setting interface. Next, select P1 for the unit switching setting. Then, use the right button to switch the unit from side to bar, as well as Celsius to Fahrenheit. Once done, press the setting button to save the setting. Afterward, use the left button to exit the menu. Press the left button again to return to the main display. Moving on to the threshold value setting. Press and hold the setting button to enter the setting interface. Use the right button to navigate to P2. Select P2 for the threshold value setting. Use the right button to choose between high pressure, low pressure, and temperature threshold value settings. Let's begin with high pressure by pressing the setting button. Use the right button to adjust the value. Then press the setting button to save the desired value. Repeat this process for low pressure and temperature settings. Finally, use the left button to exit the menu, and press it again to return to the main display. Next, let's perform a tire swap. Press and hold the setting button to access the setting interface. Use the right button to navigate to P3, then select P3 to perform a tire swap. Use the right button to select which tires to swap with each other. Press the setting button to execute the tire swap. Then use the left button to exit the menu and return to the main display. Lastly, we will initiate a sensor relearn process. Press and hold the setting button to enter the setting interface. Use the right button to navigate to P4, then select P4 to access the sensor relearn setting. Use the right button to choose the desired sensor and press the setting button to start the pairing mode. Simultaneously release air from the tire on the sensor, and the signal will be sent to the TPMS display. Once complete, use the left button to exit the menu and return to the main display. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.